Hey there campers, Charlie from Atlanta here, the corporate gypsy. I am, unfortunately Santa's come early and brought me a new knee, so I am laid up after a knee replacement. While I'm doing this, I'm getting ready for next year, looking forward to trips and looking at gear. While wandering around on Amazon and also YouTube, looking at guys like Sterling Noren and Kyle Cooper of Backcountry ADV Motos, I'm looking at that DJI camera with the snap-off magnet mount. Turned out while looking at Amazon I found one, and so I wanted to do a little review here of it and show you what it looks like and how it works. Just be clear, I am not sponsored by these folks. I just saw it, looked good, bought it. It's 30 bucks, and I'm actually pleased with it. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. Let me show you how this thing works. So this arrived today. Good looking packaging. Looks pretty substantial. So this thing costs 30 bucks on Amazon. I found it totally by accident. Also, just to be clear, I have no affiliation with these folks whatsoever. I was just looking for a solution. This is quite substantial. This isn't plastic. This is metal. And this is pretty substantial as well. But basically, the magnet's strong, and you squeeze the little claw, and it holds it in place. But let's see how it works. It's a perfect little screwdriver. These screws are small. In my previous life, I worked for Coca-Cola installing fountain equipment. We used to call screws like this drain finders. So you bring it out just enough so it's clear, but it stays in the hole. Lift that out. Put this piece in. Actually, this piece goes in last. Put this piece in. Like so, and you knock these little drain finders out. Be careful because these suckers will run. Voila. Like that. The little arms come down. The little arms will come down and they'll go right back up if you're not careful. There you go. Boom. Done. There you go. Snaps right in place. Much easier now to take it off when you're stopped. It won't hold all your buddies up while you're changing batteries. Pretty cool. Hopefully you found this useful, and if this is the type of content you like, please consider liking and subscribing as it helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the road. I'll see you down the road in the spring, but I'll see you down the road. Thanks for watching.